Paulo, I'm curious. When you were first considering whether or not to join Metrostar in your current role, did the company's openness to technologies like the PyData stack and open source scientific computing in general, did that make a difference to you?
It absolutely made a difference. It was really important to me to find a company that was going to let me experiment and like have an open, I guess like open range to figure out like which tools and solutions were going to work best. It was important to me that they weren't going to lock me into using this or that licensed product or a piece of software. And it served us well. It's helped us stay dynamic, adaptable.
Paulo, do you feel like the well-supported ecosystem of open source scientific computing tools, such as the ones that we use in the PyData stack, do you feel like that has accelerated your ability to deliver real results at your company?
Without question, yeah, I would absolutely say that it has. The fact that I can, like Google around for like some solutions, I can check the forums, I can, check Conda Forge, install things, find the tutorials, get the documentation. All of those things are incredible accelerators. I think one of the most important lessons I've learned about coding in general is that it's not always about how smart you may be. It's about how many smart ideas you've been exposed to. So having that exposure and that ability to see all these brilliant solutions that are in the open source community is an invaluable resource.
So what are you most excited about personally about the upcoming PyData Global event?
I'm excited to learn a bunch of cool stuff that I haven't learned before. I'm excited to see new projects, new ways of thinking about data and Python. I'm excited to see what the community looks like at a global scale. And yeah, I'm just excited to participate in like such a fantastic community.